I built an AI sales machine that replies to customers, capture leads and close sales for me automatically on WhatsApp. And you know what is the craziest part? I built the whole thing in under 5 minutes without writing a single line of code. Now, whenever you hear the word AI assistant, you probably think this is too technical, I'll need coding, or this is not for someone like me. And because of that, most people never even try. But today that changes, because in the next few minutes I am going to show you a complete system that talks to your customer, understand their needs and helps you generate leads and sales automatically, and again no coding is required. So the tool we are going to use today is Pabbly Chatflow. This is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform that lets you build chatbot, automate replies, broadcast messages, capture and manage leads all in one place. But before we move ahead, let me quickly give you a quick overview of how this AI assistant will work in real time. By sending a simple hi message to this AI assistant, once I send the message, instantly the bot replies, "Hello, how can I assist you today? If you are looking for property options or have any questions, feel free to ask." Here I want you to know that in this video I am going to design an AI assistant for real estate business. That's why I have uploaded this knowledge base file while doing the setup of AI assistant. Don't worry, in the single video I will explain you each and everything more clearly, that what is this knowledge base and how you can do the setup of AI assistant. I am creating the AI assistant for real estate business, but you can customize it completely based on your own business too. Now I am sending the next message to this AI assistant that send me the property categories. Then see, it shares me the types of property categories that they are offering, that is residential property, commercial properties and investment properties. Let's say I want to know something more about residential properties, so I am sending a message as share me the more details about residential properties. Then it sends me the complete details about the residential property. Let's say I want to book a consultation, so I am sending a message as book consultation. See, then it says that I'd happy to help you with the consultation. To get started, could you please share what type of property are you looking for? What is your budget range, preferred location, when you are planning to buy, and are you looking for a loan or self-funded phase? As it is visible that the AI assistant is asking me all the questions related to the real estate business. Now I am sending a response as I am looking for a 2 BHK flat. My budget is around 40 to 50 lakhs. Preferred location is near Kolar Road, Bhopal. Planning to buy in 1 to 3 months, and I will need a home loan. Once I answered all the question, then it says that great choice. A 2 BHK flat is your budget near Kolar Road. Sounds perfect. To proceed with your consultation, please can you provide your name and phone number? So I am sending my full name as a test user and one test contact number. Once I send it, then the next response I have received from the assistant is include my name, test user, completely personalize the input that I have given, as the assistant are very smart and intelligent. This message includes that could you please let me know your preferred date and time for the site visit. So I am sending a date as 22 April 2026 and the timing is 6 p.m. See, I received the customized booking confirmation message from this AI assistant. So this is the exact automated WhatsApp AI assistant we are going to build in this video without writing a single line of code. But before we move ahead, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual tasks. Now without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant step by step. At first, open a new tab and search Pabbly pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, you will come on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. In this page, on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go on Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this access now button. After that, you will become on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is the dashboard of of Pabbly Chatflow, where on the left hand side you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I have shared the link of the video in the description below. You can check it out. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I am directly going in this AI assistant feature. So see, this is the page. Here you can create multiple tabs of WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes you will understand what is knowledge base, as we are creating a new AI assistant. So I will click on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, it will ask me to give the name to the AI assistant that I am entering as. I built an AI sales machine step by step with Pabbly Chatflow. After that, I will click on this plus add AI assistant button, and then you will see this is the starting page of creating your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type that I am going to select as AI agent. It will provide you multiple types of instructions type. You can select it by your own choice. Here I have selected it as an AI agent, and you can see that as soon as I have selected the instructions type, it will automatically generate the instructions here. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow. You can also make the changes in these rules if you want to. After that, the temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I am setting up the temperature as 0.5. Next, the model provider I am selecting as OpenAI. After that, the model I am selecting as GPT-4o mini. After that, it will ask you to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, I am going to take you to my OpenAI platform by clicking on this OpenAI API keys page link. See, this is the OpenAI platform. Now for generating this API key, you have to click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Next, the project I am going to select as default project, and the permission I am setting up as all. After that, I will click on this create secret key button, and see, I got my API key. Here I want you to know that for generating this OpenAI API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. Now I am simply copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, you have to click on this connect button, and you will see it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the assistant settings with some options, where the first one is the header message. The header message is the message that sends to the user at the starting of the conversation. It is usually used for sending welcome messages or short introduction. So if you want to add any header message, then you can enable this toggle and enter in this box. After that, the footer message. The footer message is the message that sends to the user at the end of the conversation. It is used for sending thank you messages or the contact information. After that, the stop keywords. The stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, here I have added the stop keywords as stop. After that, I press enter, and the user will send this keyword to the AI assistant while communicating. Then automatically the AI assistant will become stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. Here I am not adding any stop keywords, but you can add it if you want to. After that, the retry attempts. Retry attempts define as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your users. If something goes wrong, you can increase it till 10. Here I am not enabling this toggle. Now the next one is the fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical errors such as API key problem or an connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to the user for better conversation. Here I have entered the fallback message is this, but you can change it completely based on your own business or company. Now I am moving forward to the next one, that is knowledge source, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. See, this is the most important and the crucial part of setting up the AI assistant, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific replies, but without knowledge base file, AI assistant gives general responses. So it plays an important role. As I told you earlier, in this tutorial I am going to design an AI assistant for real estate businesses. So for that, I have already designed one knowledge base file. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. Here I have entered all the related information about the real estate business, such as the properties types, properties categories, payment and booking information, loan assistance, and some FAQs too. So this is how the knowledge base file look like. Here I have designed this knowledge base file by my choice. You can customize it completely based on your own business. After creating the knowledge base file, you have to click on this files option. After that, download this file in .pdf. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know know that your file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. Now for uploading a knowledge base file, you have to click on this option. After that, click on this add new file and then just drag and drop this file here. After that, click on this upload file and you will see the file is uploaded. Next, select it from here and click on this insert button, and this is how easily you can upload the knowledge base file. After that, the assistant interface. Here you can design your AI assistant by making changes in these fields. At first, I'm entering the heading as AI sales machine, and you can see that as soon as I have entered the heading here, it will automatically change here too. And the subheading I have given as we are online and happy to assist you. It is visible here too. And the initial message I entered as hi there, how can I help you today? Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. After that, the label that is powered by Pabbly, you can disable it from here if you want to. The footer text I have entered as privacy and policy, also added footer link, and the user first message I have entered as I need help. And you will see this is the final look of the assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. Now I am moving forward to the next one, that is styling. Here you can give style to your assistant by making changes in its themes, colors, shapes and many more. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can change it from here if you want to. After that, I'm enabling this toggle so that my assistant will becomes active and clicking on the save AI assistant button. So this is how easy you can do the setup of AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow. Now the next button is embed button. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites or any other applications. So not only here, you can access your AI assistant anywhere. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. Now after doing the setup of AI assistant, you have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. I am opening this in a new tab. Now I am going to the setup of AI assistant for the contacts. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle. After that, select the contact list from here. On warm, you have to set your AI assistant that I am selecting as all contacts and select the AI assistant from this drop down that I have selected as I built a AI sales machine step by step with Pabbly Chatflow. This is the same AI assistant that we have designed recently. After that, you have to click on the save button and see it says that inbox settings saved successfully. Here I have set this AI assistant for all contacts, but if you want to set it for any specific contacts, then we have also a solution for that too. So you just have to simply go in this inbox feature. After that, select the contact. On warm, you have to set your AI assistant. Next, choose the assistant from here by enabling this toggle and select it from this drop down. After that, click on the save button, and this is how easily you can assign an AI assistant to any specific user. Now the setup of our AI assistant is completely completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. If you want me to create an AI assistant for your own business, then comment your business name below. I will create a tutorial on it too. This AI assistant will give instant replies to your users in real time like this, even while you are sleeping. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.